Chris Benson, Bradford Cars, one of these the stock title buy, sell, so much out my staff, Chris Cramer, so you play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski? Daddy, time for the lightning round, Chris. I'm going to start with Tom in Wisconsin. Tony in Wisconsin. Tony.
Hey, Jim. A big hey there from northern Wisconsin.
Wow,
thanks
it must
for
be
taking
beautiful
my call.
there.
And,
Absolutely.
Thanks for all the great advice over the years.
Thank you so much. It's been so hard lately. It really makes me feel great that you said that. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Well, I've been a long-term investor, and it takes a lot more to scare me than this.
I like that. That's the right attitude. That's Ken Langone's attitude. Congratulations. Let's go to work.
Okay. About 20 years ago, I took a small position in a stock called Fiserv. Good Wisconsin-based company. They've done me right for over 20 years. Wondering what you think about them moving forward.
I think they're one of the greatest fintechs. You know, everyone wanted to go into the really fancy new fintechs. You stick with the one that you have. You are doing really well. And thank you for the kind words. They mean a lot to me. I need to go to Bob in Illinois. Bob.
Hello, Jim.
Bob.
A while ago, you suggested Sempra Electric Utility,
Yes.
Electric, whatever. I bought some, and about a month later, all of a sudden, took a huge jump from like the high 80s to the like.
Tell you the truth, Bob, they did not do a good job. It was a bad quarter. It is very upsetting to me. I've spoken to Jeff Martin several times, the CEO, but there were several things that were definite misses. It does deserve to trade lower. It yields almost 4%. I still can't tell you to buy. We have to see another quarter because it was that jarring. I wish I didn't have to say that, but Sempra did not deliver. That's just plain and simple. I need to go to Nick in New Jersey. Nick.
Booyah, Jimmy Cooks. Hope
Yo,
all
man,
is
what's
well,
happening?
man.
Oh, well,
Congrats
good.
on
How about you?
re-signing- Congrats on re-signing Bond. And
Yeah, Zach's the man. Zach's the man. I want him to come in on the show. I love that guy. Well, let's go to work.
Hey. Yeah, absolutely. So this question comes to you courtesy of Grok. So, Jim, Rigetti Computing, RGTI, has been a wild ride lately in the quantum computing space, with the stock surging over 1,600% in the past year.
Right.
Despite declining revenues, do you think this is a speculative bubble?
I think it's a meme stock. It's a meme stock. And therefore, it's a battle between the longs and the shorts. I don't know who wins in the end, but it is a meme stock. It is not trading on the fundamentals, which are, frankly, paltry. Let's go to Alex in Pennsylvania. Alex.
Jim, great to speak with you. Question.
Same to you. Yeah.
Thanks. What do you think of Recursion Pharmacy now that's dropped back down again? And if you had to choose between Netflix and Disney to start a position now, which would you choose?
Well, I'll tell you, I'm reticent to really pull the trigger on Recursion, because when they came on, it looked like at a good level, and since then it's just been disastrous. We're gonna have to hold off. I got to meet them face to face to see what's going on. Let's go to Greg in Illinois. Greg.
Yes. How you doing, Jim?
I am doing well, Greg. What's happening with you?
Nothing exciting except some bad weather in Chicago.
Bad weather in Chicago. I'm going to note that over there, guys. Okay. But bad weather. That's Portillo's. We don't want to buy the stock of Portillo's then. Okay, so how can I help you, though?
I want to find out about ONEOK. See what you think of it today.
I have to tell you, I think ONEOK may be the best-run pipeline company in the country, and I think you should own it. That is no skin. Enbridge is good too. Don't want to hurt people's feelings. Let's go to Jerry in Missouri. Jerry.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for taking my call.
Of course, Jerry. What's happening?
Jim, I know you don't like accounting irregularities, but you haven't said that about this company lately. In fact, you kind of congratulated them on not being delisted. Is it time to start building a position in Supermicro?
There are still remedies that are needed. Until all the remedies happen, I am not going to approve it. In the meantime, that industry has become very cutthroat. Look at HPE today. If you want to know the winner in that space, it's going to be Michael Dell. And I do say at this level that it would be a good idea to buy Michael Dell's company. It is so low. It sells at 9 times earnings, and Michael Dell is fantastic at what he does, and also probably one of the most charitable people I've ever met. Let's go to Alex in Pennsylvania. Alex.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for taking my call. I'm
of course
calling in about a real estate investment trust that I've been tracking for a little over a year and a half now, and I'm looking to increase my position. It's Farmland Partners Incorporated, ticker FPI.
Novel idea. I kind of like the idea as a spec because we know that we don't have enough farmland. So I think, you know what, I'm going to bless it. I'm going to thought a lot about since AGCO, which was an amazing bottom call that we got from AGCO. We had them on recently. Let's go to Gary in Kansas. Gary.
Hey, Jim. I want to say bless you for the help that you give to the individual investor like me. I've been a long-time watcher and a first-time caller. The stock that I want your opinion on is an under-the-radar tech company that meets your standard of showing recent quarter-over-quarter growth and is profitable. They also pay a dividend of 3% and appear to be reasonably priced with a PE of 16. The stock symbol is STX Seagate Technology.
All right, Seagate. Okay, now this is a very cheap stock, but cheap for a reason. It's because the business is very cutthroat, and I suggest that if you wanted to go in this business, you wanted to go into storage, I am going to send you, honestly, to Broadcom. I'd rather see them. They got storage, too. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.